welcome to Prestige. And today we're going to be checking out the 2015 Aston Martin Vanquish. Follow me. This bad boy comes with an impressive 6.0 V12 engine. Not only that, it comes with a redesigned transmission from a 6-speed to an 8-speed. Let's check out the interior. Don't you guys love the brand new car smell? Let's turn this puppy on. My goodness. If you don't feel like James Bond while you turn this car on, I don't know what's wrong with you. My goodness. This car is so beautiful. As you can see, the red accent on the stitching. The car is in pristine condition. It's a 2015, but it's quite beautiful. No issues whatsoever. We simply did a service on the vehicle, on the engine. We changed all the fluids and we replaced the filters as well. That's pretty much it. Car needs nothing else. My dream car as a whole. Once again, this is a 2015 Aston Martin Vanquish. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos from Prestige Auto Tech.